I'm happy to provide you with 2 effective recipes using readily available ingredients to help enhance the firmness and elasticity of your skin. Recipe 1: Egg white and lemon mask. Ingredients: 1 egg white, juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: whisk the egg white until it becomes frothy. Add the lemon juice and honey to the egg white and mix well. Cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow the mask to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and follow up with your regular moisturizer. Frequency: use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Lemon juice may cause sensitivity to sunlight, so it's recommended to use this mask in the evening. Recipe 2: Aloe vera and cucumber gel. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, extracted from an aloe vera leaf. 1/4 cucumber, peeled and blended. Instructions: extract fresh aloe vera gel from a leaf. You can do this by cutting a leaf, scooping out the gel, and blending it until smooth. Blend the peeled cucumber until it forms a smooth paste. Mix the aloe vera gel and cucumber paste together in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, allowing it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse off with cool water and gently pat your skin dry. Follow up with your regular moisturizer. Frequency: you can use this gel 2 to 3 times a week. It's gentle and soothing, making it suitable for more frequent use. Additional tips: always perform a patch test before applying any new mixture to your face to check for any adverse reactions.